My video guide is about removing the unwanted browser extension called Never Forget tab. This particular browser hijacker, this extension operates as a browser hijacker. Instead of fulfilling the promised improvements, it actually changes the default search engine. Whenever you submit any search queries, you would notice that the results are actually delivered by some other unwanted and unfamiliar search engines. These could be even decent search engines, but not Google. And the trouble with this extension is that it tries to make such important decisions instead of you. Anyway, be very careful, don't install this extension and don't tolerate it. If this Never Forget tab extension was mistakenly installed, get rid of it by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions, disable and remove any third-party extensions. To be convinced that your computer is free of any other possibly hidden threats, I do recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then begin investigating your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.